Let's go ahead and click List Links next to Main Menu. Now remember, we're on the track to enable our contact menu item for the menu. When we go to a menu listing, we have some data about the menu items that are listed here. We have menu link, which includes the link to the menu. We have enabled, which allows us to disable a menu item without removing it from the menu completely. So sometimes we want to disable it for a short period of time, or we're not entirely sure if we want to disable it yet. We can simply disable it here. Under operations, we can edit this item, and we can also delete the item. On the far left, you see that we can sort the item. So if I take this and I click it and I drag it, you see that it changed locations. So we have the About at the very top and Home at the very bottom. When we did this, we saw a message display that says changes made in this table will not be saved until the form is submitted. So if the change was unintentional or we changed our minds, we can go ahead and not click the Save Configuration at the bottom of the page and simply navigate to another page. Let's go ahead and go back to the main menus. What I'm going to do is click on the breadcrumbs here up to the menu item.